Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, vlogs, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're talking about summertime fragrances that are good for the office. So I personally work from home, thank God, because I'm not an office person anyway. I don't like going in there, good morning Sally, good morning Susie. Girl, that wasn't me. That was never me. But when I used to have to go to the office, I mean, I guess I was cool, you know. But I'm so glad I don't have to go into the office anymore and I just work from home. But I know a lot of you do still work in the office. One of my favorite subscribers DM me like, girl, can you give me some office scents? I was like, I can do that for you. I can do that for her just because that's one of my favorites. But she a fraghead like me, so she probably already got half of this stuff anyway. But since that's my girl, I'm definitely going to go ahead and give y'all some office scents for the summer. I have 15 fragrances. I'm going to move through them fast. But first of all, these fragrances give like clean and fresh type of vibes. Because I feel like that's, for one, good for the summer. And I think it's pretty good for the office. So I remember this one time, it was probably like 10 years ago. And one of my coworkers, she put these like, you know those air fresheners when you twist it up, it's got like that jelly air freshener in the middle. She put like 2 of them on the top of the cubicle that's between us. I didn't know why, but come to find out, she going around the office talking about my perfume stank and it's too strong and blah blah blah. So when I heard that, y'all know what I did, right? I wore that perfume every day that whole rest of that week. Matter of fact, it wasn't even a perfume, it was a perfume oil. So I don't remember the scent, but I remember it being a perfume oil. And then all I did was I put one behind each ear, one in the cleavage, one on each wrist, and rubbed because it was an oil. Now they was strong. I used to get them from the African, so the African man, he did have some popping perfume oil. I ain't gonna hold you, but I can't for the life of me remember the scent. If it comes to me, I'm gonna let y'all know. But the fact that she was doing all of that, putting the air fresheners up there and all of that, and going around the office talking about all this stank and all of that, yep, I wore it every day that week. Sure did. Now, had she came a little different, you know, I would have been like, oh, okay, my bad, I won't wear that or wear as much, you know. But no, you want to be funny? I'm going to be funny right with you. Okay, so let's get into these office scents that are nice, clean, fresh, and should not offend anybody. So I have 2 from Maison Cire. This one is Treasure and this is Sweet Praline. Now I have 3 Maison Cire fragrances and I feel like all of them are more like kind of closer to the skin. They're not loud, they're not beast mode, they're not in any of that. They do have a nice sillage, but they're not like super projecting. Like, you know what I mean? It's like one of those when you walk past somebody, they can smell you, but it is very like more light and in your scent bubble. But Treasure is definitely soft, kind of sweet. So this has orange blossom, it has C notes, it has a little amber and vanilla, so it has a sweetness to it. And those C notes, they used to pull on my skin pretty heavy, but as it sat and macerated, I really don't get the C notes as much. It's just soft, pretty, feminine, a little floral, a little sweet, and it just smells nice and clean and a little sweet, and I think it's perfect for the office. Now Sweet Praline, this is also soft, more close to your skin. This one actually smells like it has the C notes in it, but it doesn't. I think that's the pininess, the papyrus or something like that in the base note. Because I kind of get that in there. But it's blended very well. So it's not like offensive or makes it smell weird. It just does give it like a different type of twist. And when I first got this, I wasn't too sure about it. But now that it's sat and macerated, I really do like it. And I think both of these are perfect for the office. They're just nice, soft, elegant, like very like womanly type of fragrances. I don't feel like they're juvenile or girly or anything like that. They are pretty elegant fragrances, but definitely perfect for the office. Y'all know I like a clean linen, clean type of laundry smell all the time, especially in the summertime. And this is Sun Bleach by Une Nuit Nomade. Now this does have that slight like clean linen, clean laundry-esque type of feel to it, but it's not super like laundry detergent. It's not super like literal, you know, like it's not like that. It kind of got hints of it in the background, and it also has like a solar quality to it. Like I always say, like this smells like clean laundry that has been drying out in the sun on a nice summer day, but it's not super literal laundry, and it smells like it's kind of like by ocean water, if that makes sense. So you're drying laundry near the beach. It also has a nice kind of like soft muskiness, like soft kind of skin like muskiness, and I really enjoy this in the summer. Definitely one of my favorites from the house for summer. Now a Reach from Attar collection. This is for my girls that like a little bit of rose but more like powdery. You want to smell powdery and kind of you know, not necessarily baby powder, but like more of an elegant, perfumey type of powder. Like kind of like them Avon powders we used to put on back in the day, you know what I'm saying? Like that. And you definitely get the rose, but the rose is so soft and light. And it has other florals in here, like white florals. But that powderiness, it smells so good. It's almost like a little bit of a sweet powder. Oh, this smells so good. This one isn't super loud, but it smells really good. I think it's perfect for the office. And smelling like powder in the office, girl, that's a good look for sure. Out of all the Argos fragrances that I have, I feel like Perfume is perfect for the office. It's definitely feminine, elegant, kind of like a quiet, more demure type of elegant fragrance. I do smell like a lot of the iris in here, and it's not a lipsticky iris, it's kind of like a powdery iris. I also feel like I get a little lavender too, but it's not a masculine lavender. It's just enough aromatic lavender to still keep it on the feminine side. I feel like I get a little ginger. Yeah, it's got a little sweetness to it, so it's definitely got to have some vanilla or some tonka or something in here, probably vanilla. So yeah, this is a nice feminine floral fragrance with a little sweetness. Definitely perfect for the office. Opus Core by Wilhelm. I love this. Now this is for my girls that want to be a little more fruity. Okay, you want to be a little more fruity but still fresh and clean. And that's what this gives. Oh, it's the perfect amount of fruitiness, a little bit of citrus. It's so light, kind of watery, like aquatic, but not oceanic aquatic, more like watery. Smells like it's got like either freesia or magnolia or one of those flowers that kind of give me that watery texture vibe. It's fruity. It's got acai berry and raspberry in here. I just love this. I need to put this on my tray. This is perfect for summer. This is one of those fragrances that when I wear it, I feel like I'm a little cooler, especially in the heat. So I love this, and this is for the girls that want to be in the office, but you want to be a little more fruity and still fresh and clean. Muskbocious by Rena J is the perfect musky, your skin but better type of scent, and it's got such a nice sweetness to it. It smells so good. Like it's a soft, clean, fresh musk, nice and sweet, light. This one has really good performance. It's not a beast mode fragrance, but it does have a nice moderate projection. Oh, and it just smells so good, and it's pretty long lasting too. So I really love wearing this to bed. I could definitely see somebody wearing this to the office, daytime, summer, you know, just out and about. You just want to smell fresh and clean but a little sweet. This one is perfect. J'adore D'Eau. I love this. Okay, so y'all already know, like, I was an original J'adore lover. Been wearing it since it came out. Loved it. Been wearing it for years and years and years. So the last time I finished a bottle of that, was it 2022? Yeah, I think it was 2022. I finished my bottle of that, and then I got J'adore D'Eau. It's definitely still giving you J'adore, but it's more subtle, more demure, more lightweight, clean, and fresh. It's not super dense and heavy like J'adore. Oh, but it smells so good. The honeysuckle in here, the honeysuckle is the star of the show, and I just love it down. It smells so fresh, clean, but still floral and feminine. Oh my gosh, it got little kind of wateriness to it. It's other white florals in here. It has to be freesia, magnolia, or something, because it's just so light and just like a light creaminess, like the most whipped cream ever, but not in a sweet way, just a light and airy way, the foam part. Oh, I love this down. I normally just wear this to bed, but I could definitely see somebody wearing this to the office. It won't be offensive, and it's perfect. It does have that milky, you know, spray when it comes out, because I think there's no alcohol in here, or it's very little alcohol, if any, but it doesn't stain your clothes or your pajamas or your shirt or anything like that. So I love it. It's long lasting. When I wear this to bed, I smell it on me in the morning. I just love it. So you can definitely wear this to the office, and it'll get you through the whole work day. Kind Intentions. I feel like Kind Intentions doesn't get enough shine. It just doesn't get enough love, and this is the season for it. This is for my girls that like a very light, airy type of vanilla, and that seaweed is definitely in there. It's prominent, but that's what gives this some character. It makes it different than just a regular schmegular vanilla. Like, it does give it a twist, and I really like the twist. Like, I like the twist. So you definitely get the vanilla, you get the seaweed, you get like a little bit of I would say a little bit of woodiness. Like, I don't know if it's some kind of driftwood or something like that, but it's definitely a little bit of woodiness in here. And this is like a clean, fresh, type of woody vanilla. Like, I really enjoy wearing this in the summer, and I think it's perfect for the office, especially if you want that nice hint of sweetness. Lucine by Liz. Like, why don't more people talk about this? This is perfect for the office, and this is for the girls that like a little citrus. Okay, you want your citrus, but you want your citrus to come with some florals to give the perfect kind of balance. It's definitely got some kind of lemon or bergamot or something like that in there, because I definitely smell the citrus, but it's such a nice citrus. And it's also like really light and watery, aquatic almost. I wouldn't necessarily say like oceanic, but there is a slight little saltiness to it. And it's got to have some kind of white florals. Like white florals like either freesia, magnolia. I think it's water lily. Water lily. Yeah. I remember looking at the notes. Water lily is in here. And I feel like you get that. Like, you definitely get that. Oh, it's such a nice floral with the nice citrus. I love this. Oh yeah, I love this. I love it. It's not super beast mode, but it's just perfect for the office, and you're gonna get your nice citrus in the summertime, your florals. It'll give you all the summertime vibes while you're in the office. I feel like Another 13 is always a safe bet. Like, for no matter where you're going, where you're at, what time of the day it is, like, Another 13 is always a safe bet. It's just clean, fresh, your skin but better, a little bit of sweetness. I always say it's ambroxan in here, but it's actually ISOE Super. Is that kind of like the same thing? I don't know, but I like that too. It smells so good. If you smell Juliet Has a Gun and Not a Perfume, they're very similar. They're very similar. And I used to wear that one all the time. Before I even knew what Another 13 was. That one, Not a Perfume, I really like that one. It's like a little bit of fruitiness. It's like just clean, fresh musk. And the ISOE Super, like, girl, Another 13, I don't even know what to say about it. I love it. The last one on the list is Besos by Kerner Barcelona. So the last two, I'm not even gonna talk about them, because I talked about them like in a couple other few videos before, and I'm tired of talking about them. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave them out. So the last one is gonna be Besos, because this one definitely deserves to be in this video, because it's perfect for the office. It's clean. It's a little floral, a little sweet, almost a little powdery. I don't know if it has powdery notes or some kind of like iris or something like that, but yeah, it's definitely powdery, clean, a little soapy, fresh, a little sweet. That might give up, but it's got something in there that might give off a little bit of a citrus type of vibe. I don't know, but mostly I get the powdery, soapy cleanness, a little floral, yeah, and a little sweetness. Yep, I love this. It smells so good, and it's perfect for the office. So y'all let me know, what do you think is a good fragrance for the office for summertime? So let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.